gonna piss me off.
Hello.
It's gonna drive me.
Oh, do you know where that sticker is? Is the half of the onion.
Okay, thank you so much, man.
Where are we going?
To the gas station.
To the gas station. Chonk.
And then where are we going?
We're going to Jupiter.
Jupiter Mountain. We're here. Not at the top, but like 1/8 of a mile up.
It's steep.
Chunk's loving life though. Look at him. Get a smile. So you can see the Bouquet Reservoir behind her. How you doing? How you holding up?
I'm dying.
There's a car way down there. Any thoughts up here? Emotions?
Yeah. I'm dead.
You're not dead.
Chunk's dead.
Chunk's having the time of his life. You got one thing to say to our viewers right now. What is it? Go.
It's hard. The left side is hard.
That's not inspirational. It's supposed to be inspirational. Chunk,
Got her.
you got anything to say?
What do you want, Bubba?
It's getting a little windier now. We're making it up.
Hello.
Nothing else to say now?
I'm tired.
Inspirational. Inspirational.
Chunk got this. He's ready. Woohoo!
Go up there. Pass that a little bit. All the way to that side over there. Stay. Not to that side.
Like, I don't think those connect.
They can if you work hard enough.
Let's go over here really quick because a bunch of red ants over here.
What's a walk without a little,
Ready?
a little
Let go.
stick throwing? Get it! Get it! Shoo!
You're so dirty. No. Come on, take your stick with you. Come on.
He's gonna be a healthy boy after this. Wouldn't you say?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's pretty cool, guys. If you look back there, I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera, but you can see basically all the way to the Tehachapi area, which is like 45 minutes north from here. And if you swing around this side, you can see Santa Clarita area, which is where that like white line-ish thing is. Makes you feel like you're on the tip of the world now.
Okay. We're about to walk up that steepness. It's been a little flat,
A little bit.
which is nice. See Buddy over there.
How do you think he's enjoying his first day of adventure this year?
I think he's enjoying it, but I also think he's pooped. Chunk!
He hasn't been out in a long time.
Yeah.
When's the last time he was out?
San Bernardino. Oh, no. Was that that's not San Bernardino. Right, no, Big Bear. Big Bear.
Big Bear.
He went to Big Bear. That was his last actual, like, outing. Other than that,
He's excited though.
the park, and at the apartment. Hi!
Walmart. He likes to go to Walmart.
In Walmart.
On Chunk. Look, Chunk. Is that the top? I don't know if that's the top. Is that the top over there?
That one?
Or is this the top?
I feel like that one might be the
That one. What the hell do we have here? Look, guys, there's a bench with some, what is that called? Oh, never mind. It's not what I thought it was.
Not a fishing pole. You thought it was a
Looks, no, I thought it was, what's that metal they put in concrete?
T-post.
No. Rebar.
Rebar.
I thought it was rebar, but it's like plastic. Look at that, guys. Look, Chunk. Look at the view. Chunk. Woohoo!
That's so crazy. You can see the SCV.
SCV
Really good
going
over
down.
They're really good over here.
Mojave, Tehachapi, the stick.
And you can see the little water pipes.
Ooh. So I guess that's Grass Mountain. I looked on the map. I think we're gonna try that one at some point. Looks nicer up there. Now we're gonna follow this all the way to right there. I think that's where we're gonna turn around. Alright, y'all, if you're ever hiking and you're coming down something steep and it's a little slippery, try to do what I just told you. You gotta either put your feet when you walk down like this, take your steps like that, or both to the side and walk down like that, so that way you have more force going against your foot and it's a lot harder for you to slip. Do that with leaning back and you should be golden. As long as you're smart about your step, that's always one of the most important aspects, which should be obvious. See, she was having trouble, but now she's going down. Just go for it now, right here. Just go into me. Just go, just go, just go. How was that?
That was good.
Another little tip I guess I have is if you're walking downhill and it's too slippery on the dirt areas, if you look for places, let's say right now I got sticks, gives you a lot more friction on the ground, better footing. So, I mean, sticks are good because they'll hold you more than rocks sometimes can. Rocks can be slippery and make you fall like she attempts every step. Especially wet rocks. Don't step on wet rocks if you're new to stepping on rocks. It will not end well.
Who's new at stepping at rocks?
Hey, some people never go out. I'm trying to help them every step of the way.
Did you tell them anything about sticks?
Yeah, I told them if you use them correctly, they help you.
I didn't use that one correctly.
I know.
Look at that. Down yonder, there's civilization. See if I can zoom in. Civilization. We're gonna try to go up at the top here. And then just walk back and take the little exit.
Well, we're here. I'm here. Chunk's here. Where she's at. Oh wait, she is almost here. Are you here now? They want to know. Did you make it?
I made it. That was hard, but I did it.
All the way from back there.
Yeah, with you in the shade.
Well, we're probably gonna sit here for a little bit, hang out a second, and then head back. And then we're gonna take him somewhere else. You'll have to see where we take him. Stay on, stay ready. You won't want to miss it. Trust me.
The wind feels so good. Yeah, take it all in.
Well, y'all,
He's-
we were walking and we might need to name the video something else. We found some possible treasure.
Treasure!
I think there's money in it.
We're gonna find out.
All right, let's rip off a
Ew.
piece of the bag so I don't touch it. Don't touch stuff like this, guys. You could get diseases, you could get warts, you could get put on a hit list. You never know.
Let's see. Like that?
Bigger than that. This is what she's trying to have me open it with.
I would.
Here, Chunk, you go back here.
Okay, here. Just have to stretch it out a little.
Chunk.
You're so nosy. Sit down. Can you eat it?
If he got out of my...
Okay, put your foot in there. Pull the lid off. What is that?
Porsche. Porsche.
818, 918?
Something.
Just junk.
Oh, it's junk, guys. It's junk. Well, unfortunately, we're gonna have to leave it there where we got it, because I don't want to touch that. It was worth a try, right?
Yeah.
Oh, the hand sanitizer, always a great idea, guys, if you even semi-touch something weird. Good job, good thinking.
Oh, you're welcome. I had sanitizer in my mouth.
All right, Chunk, let's go.
Oh, you nickel.
Again, y'all, we're gonna do something after this, so wait to see that. Chunk's gonna be in for another little treat. Way back's an actual trail, not a fire road, which is nice. A little thinner, definitely more shade. Not as steep. Say a nicer way to go, even just for an out and back, so you can skip the fire road. It's not that amazing on the first half. Say this is a little nicer if you guys ever want to come enjoy this trail we're doing at Jupiter Mountain. Hopefully it's not Juniper. Pretty sure it's Jupiter.
There you go. Woo!
We made it. Second destination of the day. These are the poppy fields. And this is the first time we're taking Chunk to them. She wants to take some pictures of them. hiking, walking day turned into photography day, portrait day. Are you not supposed to step on it?
I try not to. I have messy hair. Oh, we're here at the poppies. Oh wait, that's better. Oh, you told them that. Skunk. There's my little boy in a field of flowers.
Pretty, lots of orange. Not as much as past years though. We came here. Did we come here last year?
That wasn't last
The year
year.
before then.
Yeah.
A little more orange then, but it's always a nice time. You can see there's other people walking. There's an actual park over there. We were gonna go over there, but there was signs saying dogs can't come in. We got a little freak. So.
Good day, good day. Huh, good day?
Oh, get it. He went back to the car. He's ready to go home. That walk got him good. All right, Sean, come tell him how good of a day you had. What if it's a gopher? Alright, y'all. I think we're gonna end it there. We gotta take Chunky out for a walk. Take him on his first adventure of the year. You guys got to see how he conquered Mount Jupiter. Did really good. Better than we thought. So that's good. Got to take him to the flowers right now to kind of just relax, take some photos. Found some what might have been treasure, but unfortunately was not. Junk, yeah, but until then, you guys know, uphill and onward every day.